There we go. I'm making 3,190 watts. Oh boy, it's baking today in San Diego. So it's one of the first days. It's getting really hot this summer. It's about 85 degrees in Claremont, which is a warm day. People are asking me, calling me now like crazy, wanting to save money on their air conditioning costs by going solar. So let's take a quick peek at my meter right now. So just so you know, I installed solar about 6 years ago. I have about a 5 kilowatt system right up there on our roof. And then actually our neighbor, I referred back when I wasn't helping people decide on solar, she put a system on hers. That house has solar. So if you're looking at net metering 3, it still could quite possibly be a great time to invest in solar. Let's take a look at my meter right now. So there we go. I'm making 3,190 watts, actually selling that back to SDG&E right now at this minute. That's on net metering 2.0. Unfortunately, 2.0 is now gone and they are on 3.0. So essentially a battery makes a lot of sense for most people. However, if you're looking on advice, whether you should install solar, what it would cost you, what the payoff would be, if you need a battery, do you not need a battery? We have every option you can think of. There's actually a system where you can install and have financing start off with no down. So you can actually start a system without any money down. So Dave Demangos here, your real estate specialist in San Diego, and also now helping people understand if solar is right for them, and we help you get the right system on your home for the best price in town.